Hello, viewers. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Welcome to Soham Healer World. This is a general reading for Scorpions for the month of January 2021. Yes, this reading includes all the full 4 weeks of January. So let's see what cards have to say. All right, Scorpions. So great. You will be working very, very hard. You will be working to polish your skills. This card is the card energy that you will have for the rest of the month. That is the January 2021. And you will be working hard to make money. You will be working hard to basically polish your new skills, which are going to be very, very helpful to you in the near future. So this is a hard working week, but in a good sense. All right, moving towards the first week of January. The cards are Knight of Wands, Five of Wands, and King of Cups. So here you are at a position and you are working very hard. You are rushing towards a goal and you are on the right path. You are quite satisfied with where you are. You are at a position where you are content and you want to see other people also happy, but unfortunately there are some people who are creating trouble in your life, so you are somewhere fighting with them. There is some kind of a conflict. It could be other people, but for some of you it could be some mental conflict also, but I don't know, because I'm finding you so content, satisfied, and at a higher position. I don't feel it's a mental conflict. It could be that you are trying to prove a point to other people and these people are just not agreeing to it, and they are just creating hurdles and troubles in your path. Maybe one of them is also playing little unfair, so just be a little careful of this group. Before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. The second week cards are Death reversed, the Fool, and the World reversed. So you might get some opportunity in the second week, but you know uh, just because you have gone through something in past which was painful, so don't take any decision on the basis of your past. Think about your future, think about what you exactly want, and there is no harm asking people around you whatever they suggest. People who care for you, your family, your relatives, your loved ones, whosoever is there, people who care for you, do take their opinion before going or jumping into a conclusion or making an important decision about your life, because right now you will not be in a state where you can actually decide something good for yourself. So just be a little careful and do ask other people before making any important decision of your life. Okay, so moving towards the third week, the cards are the Star reverse, King of Swords, and King of Wands. All right, so many kings. Oh my God, I think you people have a lot of responsibility on you. You people have grown as a man. You people have grown as a person. Sorry, and you are a very wise thinkers now. You can see the future and then you take action. So I think in the third week again these powers are going to be there and there will be responsibilities. You have wished something for yourself, so you are the head here. So here basically what you need to do is you need to take care of other people's feelings, other people's emotions as well, and that's what you might be doing rather than thinking about yourself. So the responsibility comes when the power comes. So, and you are going to be an excellent leader. That is what I see. All right, moving towards the fourth week, the cards are Knight of Cups reversed, Page of Swords reversed, and the Strength reversed. Here I see a little bit of instability. I think you might feel tired, you might feel exhausted emotionally, physically, and you might feel like taking rest. So I would suggest don't take any impulsive decision in the last week. Also, just take rest, focus on what you want to do in future, and this is going to be your resting week. That is what it should be. Life might seem little unstable here, but this is going to pass, nothing major, so no need to worry. Still, if you have any doubt, you can contact us. Links are given in the description box, and you can also go for the daily readings. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook.